this one, part 2. Yes, now we started recording. Yes.
Sir, please make me co-host so I can admit the children.
So
Yeah, I
please
made
make
Ari.
me co-host. I can admit
Yeah,
the
Sir,
I
sir,
made
children.
Sir, I
Ritvik.
will admit Aryan.
Yeah, admit.
yes, sir. Aryan will never
Aryan will
admit,
do
sir.
it. Okay, dear. Okay, let's go for today's class. Then, in this practical geometry class, which is a part 2, we are going to learn construction of a circle and a line segment, and we'll solve questions from the exercise 14.1. Coming to the first, we have already seen the meaning of a circle, and I have told you a circle is a collection of points which are at constant distance from a fixed point of the plane, and you have learned that it is a round shape in which all the points of its boundary are at equal distance, are at constant distance from a fixed point of the plane, which we call it as center. Okay, and here the fixed point is called center, and fixed distance from that center to any point on the boundary you take, that distance is called radius, and plural of radius is radii. Plural of the word radius is radii, R-A-D-I-I. So radii is a plural. Then radii of a circle, of a same circle, will be equal. So moving on to the construction. How to do construction? Construction of a circle. When its radius is known. Okay, when its radius is known, how to draw a circle? Children, first I'll give you steps. Okay, now we will see them drawing on the, like, virtually. I cannot, I can go for virtually drawing using some software. Okay, you will be understanding how to do it. Okay, then along with that, you can go for doing, yes, radius, and double of radius is called diameter. Very good. Now we will go for first looking into the steps involved in drawing a circle. If I want to draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter, first work of ours is we need to use a compass and a ruler. And you know, compass and a ruler already have seen. The first step, okay, first let me go for, did my video is on? Start my video. I'm starting video. I think I have not got my video as of now. See, you know, this is called a pair of compasses, right? This is a pair of compasses. Children, we use a pair of compasses and, you know, ruler or a scale. We use the scale, okay, to draw circle of radius 5 centimeter. Now, let's go for first step. What is the first step? Open the compass. Okay, you need to take the compass. It has got, okay, two ends, one metal end and another pencil end. So you have to open the compass. Open the compass, and with the help of a scale or a ruler, you will measure the distance between metal end and compass end as a 5 centimeter. Okay, so the moment you measure and take, This is the 5 centimeter. We call the distance between metal end to the pencil end as the radius. So you have taken the distance between metal end and pencil end as 5 centimeter with the help of scale, and that is the first step. Now, next step. What would be the next step? Next step is you need to mark a point on paper, any point. You can mark anywhere, but prefer when you move the pencil end, that arc should come within that page. You cannot go for, suppose, you cannot, like if I wanted to mark a point, it is good to mark somewhere in the center of the paper or somewhere in the one place of this like suppose if I want to mark, I'll be marking here somewhere like this. Suppose if you mark in the corner of a page, can the complete circle lie within the page? It is not possible. You need that circle, when it is drawn, should be lying complete inside. Okay, inside the page. Don't take the center in the corners of page. See that you take a center or that point in such a place where the entire circle lie within the page. That is marking point. And this is the marking point. I have taken marking of this point. Okay, this I named it as a O. Okay, I named it as a O. Rest of the things I am taking away, and I am taking only O. Now afterwards what we will do, put the pointer on that point O. Pointer means this metal point, that is pointer. Keep it on the that point which you have taken as a O. Then afterwards go for moving this pencil end. Okay, one complete rotation. If you do, the circle gets drawn. Like it gets drawn now, it gets drawn. Is it clear? Then this is the procedure of doing a circle. Okay, it's known to you all children. It's not a new thing. You already know. Turn the compass. Turn the compass to make a complete circle. Remember to do it in one instance. If you stop and do, sometimes you will shake it, or you will change the location of pointer. So that's why you try to do it smartly in one go. Okay, now I will stop presentation now. Go for showing you on another platform. Okay, I'm stopping presentation. I stop presentation now. I'm going for showing you here. And we have geometry, utensils, and I have taken compass and ruler. These are the requirement for me. Now, first thing, what I'll do?
Sir, we can't see your screen, sir.
Oh, I have not shared.
Yes,
will
sir, you are not said.
I'll go for sharing it. I will share now. Is it visible now? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No,
Yes,
no, sir. Yes,
Not
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is visible, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, visible.
Now, first thing is I have taken a point. Okay. This is the point, and I named it as a O. Then next thing is I am taking a ruler and a compass.
Measuring
And
5 centimeter.
yes, and I'm going to take the measurement of it. I took 5 centimeter, right? Then I keep ruler
Take
aside,
compass to the center of
and
the
I will
circle.
take pointer on it. Okay, pointer means metal end on the O. Then I will go for
Rotate it.
drawing. Okay, see this rotation, while you should not lift, I said it has changed. Let's go for properly taking. It has changed. Let me again, once again, I took correctly. I took metal end on the O. Now I'm going to rotate.
Sir,
Okay.
keep the hand on the pencil.
Yes.
Back of this, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Sir,
Now
now you can make.
I made it clear. This is the circle,
Yes, sir.
and it is a circle of.
Yes, sir. Circle.
It
Sir, and
is
diameter is 10 centimeters, sir.
yes.
Yes,
It is a
sir.
circle of.
Yes, sir. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. The radius is
How much radius it is? Now it is a circle of
5 centimeter.
radius.
Radius is 5 centimeters, sir.
Good. Good. Now tell me here. This is the radius,
Yes, sir.
and let us say this is A. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
OA is the radius, and
Yes, sir.
we have this O is called as center.
Center of the circle.
Yes, sir.
And
Center,
if I want to draw, let's say diameter, I have to take
Take-
compulsory
another highlight.
a line segment.
Sir, longest chord, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
I have
sir.
to take
Like,
yes.
sir,
Sir,
if we
longest
draw
chord
2 to 3
diameter.
Correct.
they all will intersect in center of the circle, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. So I have to
Bye,
draw
sir.
a line segment passing through the center, having both of its endpoints on the boundary of circle. That is called
Yes, sir.
diameter. Okay, it is called PQ
Sir,
is
if we draw 2 sir,
yes, it
sir,
is.
if we draw 2 to 3 diameter,
बताइए अब मुझे सुना नहीं पड़ा. Please tell me, dear.
sir.
If
Okay, sir. If we draw 2 to 3 diameters in one circle, sir, then we will all the diameters will intersect in center of the circle, sir.
Definitely, they will pass through the center, guarantee. Somebody
Yes, sir.
stopped my presentation sharing.
Tanmay, sir.
Don't worry,
I
don't worry.
think so by
So,
mistake.
by mistake, no problem, no problem. See, suppose if
Yes,
I
sir.
draw
By mistake, I
another
think so.
diameter like this, it passes through the center, and definitely the point of intersection of more than one will be there at the center. Okay, and then
Yes, sir.
you know now how to draw a circle. Let's go for another thing. Okay, I'm stop sharing this. We'll go for PPT presentation. I'm going to share with you this. Yeah, is it visible to you now? Oh, I give again back to the start.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
it's
sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
I'm back to presentation
Sir,
of
your presentation gone, sir.
Sir, presentation gone, sir.
PPT presentation has come.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, came, sir. Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
PPT presentation has come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so turning the compass to make a complete circle, we learned. Then moving on to the meaning of important words. You know the word point or points. It is a sharp edge of a pencil or needle or a divider, and this is normally represented with the capital letters. So remember, children, letters which I have to use to represent a point must be capital letters. So
Yes, sir.
I used to represent center O, which was a capital letter. I used to represent a point on the circle A, which was a capital letter. Okay, why are you stopping My
Sir,
presentation.
again the presentation gone,
Sir,
sir.
again Tanmay.
Somebody is stopping.
Sir, again
What can I
no,
do?
sir.
Tanmay, sir, Tanmay.
Tanmay, if you do like this, I cannot teach completely. Okay? So, you know, a point must be denoted with the capital letters, single capital letters. And remember,
Yes, sir.
the meaning of a meaning of a point is a sharp edge of a pencil gives a point. And normally it is defined as, or it is said as, an imaginary dot. Why it is called imaginary dot? Because it's supposed not
It has
to
no
have
length and breadth or
length.
thickness,
Yes,
sir.
it's supposed not to have a length, supposed not to have a breadth, it's supposed not to have a thickness.
Yes.
Practically speaking, it is not possible. Okay? Even to a smallest of the smallest thing which we cannot see with the naked eye, such as virus, bacteria, their sizes are found using electronic microscopes. That means even a point which you are drawing, which I can see through my naked eye, definitely it has size, it has thickness or length or breadth. So practically it is not possible. That's why it is imaginative. Okay, point is an imaginary dot for that reason. Okay, so you can remember one thing. You have to represent points with the help of capital letters only. You must know in practical geometry that. Then moving on to the another important word, a line segment. I use the word line segment. Radius is a line segment. Diameter is a line segment. Chord is a line segment. So what is this line segment? Line segment is a part of a line. Okay. How do you get this?
Which has
It
two
is
endpoints,
like
sir.
you can get the idea of a line segment when you do folding of a paper. A paper, when it is folded, or when you unfold it, you will see a crease formed. That crease is a line segment which has two endpoints, right?
Yes.
So take a thin thread and hold it tight, stretch it. Then it gives an idea of a line segment. Since it has got two endpoints and it is straight, that property of straightness will be there. That's why I said line segment is part of a line which has two fixed endpoints. The moment it has two fixed endpoints, normally we will show like this. And line segment has a speciality. It is the shortest distance between two points. It is the shortest distance between 2 points. Okay. So that shortest distance which is drawn, it is called line segment. So generally, how do you represent a line segment? The line segment is a part of a line denoted with the help of the end points. I'm using end points and representing here. You could observe that we have endpoint A, endpoint B. So if I have two endpoints, let's say A and B, that if you
Liquid.
join with the help of straightness, that is named with the help of that endpoints only. So line segment AB, on top of it, we show the line segment symbol top just by drawing like this. Okay. Line segment AB can also be read as line segment BA. Okay. Line segment AB can also be read as line segment BA. Now, so the points A and B are called the end points of this line segment AB. And line segment is part of a line which has two fixed endpoints. The moment it has two fixed endpoints, can I say it has length? It has definite length? Yes?
No, sir.
Yes. So a line segment will have a fixed length. That's why we were asked to draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. That 5 centimeter is a fixed length. Okay. So length of a line segment is definite, is there, will be there. It is a fixed length can be there for a line segment. Is it clear, children? So
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
can
sir.
go for making notes after watching once again this video in YouTube. You can watch once again and make a notes of it. I will not give notes, I said, children, last week also. The moment you
Okay,
watch
sir.
once again, make on your own notes, you will remember it thoroughly. So I
Okay,
will
sir.
brief
We
you
have
now
textbook also to
important
write notes, sir.
points. Yes,
While
yes, important points. Line segment.
we have textbook also to make points, sir. No problem, sir.
Fine. You can use textbook also. Okay. Now, first point, line segment is a shortest distance between 2 points. Second point, line segment is part of a line which has 2 fixed
Yes, sir.
endpoints. Point number 3, line segment is denoted with the help of its endpoints such as AB. Line segment is represented using, here we have represented using here AB and BA. Is it clear? Like that. Then we have next, fourth point, a line segment will have a fixed or a definite length. Okay, these are the 4 important points. Then moving on to the next to, it is getting stuck. I'll just go for, it is getting stuck sometimes. I'll just stop sharing, children. 1 minute. This PowerPoint also sometimes gets stuck. What's that tough? Just a second. WebEx is such a platform which takes sometimes huge data. I'll stop recording for a while. Yes, I resumed back, dear. Now,
Yes, sir. Your recording is paused, sir.
now I started resuming it. Okay, it is getting recorded. Now we are going to learn how to construct a line segment. Okay, now moving on to the, a line segment is part of a line which has 2 endpoints. It has a fixed length, so it can be measured using a ruler. Already I said the
Yes,
meaning
sir.
of a line segment. So it has fixed length, so it can be measured using scale or ruler.
Okay.
Yes. Then
Sir, lines won't be measured, sir.
lines cannot be measured because it has length but not fixed
Infinite.
length. It is not
Yes,
fixed
sir.
length. Line segment you wanted to measure, then one side it gets extended like a Hanuman ji ka poonch ka jaisa. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will be
Yes, sir.
keep extended. You cannot measure of it, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that. So how to go for construction of a line segment? Construction of a segment, if the length is known. Now somebody asked you, draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. What to do? What are the steps involved? To draw a line segment of a particular length, we need compulsory ruler. Ruler we need. And even compass is the, ideally speaking, we use it. How we use it? We take first a ruler and go for, first draw a line L of any length and mark a point A on it. Okay, I will show you by doing it. Okay, like this, there is a line L taken. Okay, you have taken a line L and you are marking a point on it. This is a point A. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yeah. First you
Clear.
took a line. You drew a line, and after taking a line drawn L, on that you are marking a point A. Then
Sir.
what is next step? Measure a length of 5 centimeter in compass. Okay. And how to measure? You know the procedure. Take
Sir.
metal end on 0 of compass, of a scale, and stretch pencil end or open the pencil end so that it reaches 5 centimeter on the ruler. Is it clear?
Yes,
Then
sir. Yes.
this is second step. Third step, you place this pointer on A and turn it, make an arc on L. Make an arc on L like this. Is it clear, children, now?
Yes, sir.
Put metal end of
Yes, sir.
compass on point A. Then draw an arc of 5 centimeter which intersects the line at B. Okay, you name that as B. Now you got a line segment AB of 5 centimeter on line L. Okay, this is the method of doing. Any doubt? Prajwal, what is your problem? Malwadi, Prajwal Malwadi. You can speak. Prajwal, if you want to type the text message. If you are not able to understood, or speak.
Sir, not Prajwal.
Yes, sir, understood,
Paras
sir.
Nalwadi, sir.
Speaking Prajwal, tell me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, why? Because thumbs down if you have means I think that you have a doubt. Okay, that's why I normally ask for any doubts. If you have, I'll clarify for you. Okay,
Ye-
so
yes, sir.
children, we have
Yes, sir.
completed how to draw a line segment, construction of a line segment. Now we'll go for exercise 14.1. Okay, so here line segment AB is of 5 centimeter is already drawn. Now we'll go for 14.1 exercise. Children, in exercise 14.1, you have few questions such as this. Okay, what are the
Sir.
questions? There are 5
Sir,
questions
this is
that I have shown you.
yes, sir.
Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter.
Yes,
I
sir.
did it
We
for,
learned this, sir.
yeah, we did it for 5 centimeter radius. You need to draw
Yes,
it
sir.
3.2 centimeter. Is it possible for
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is very easy.
Yes, sir. It is
sir,
very
we
easy.
will do, sir. It's very easy.
Good.
Yes,
Second
sir.
one.
Very
With the same center O, what we have taken in the first question, with the same center O, now you have to draw 2 more circles. Okay, with the radii 4 centimeter one
Yes, sir. This is
and
also
2
we will do,
and a
sir.
half
Yes,
centimeter one
sir.
another. So
Yes,
second
sir.
question,
Okay, sir. We
continuation
will
of
do it,
first
sir.
question. Good.
We will
That's
do it, sir.
nice, Atharva. Then third question. Draw a circle of any, okay, draw a circle and any 2 of its diameters. You know how to draw diameters, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained?
Okay, sir.
Semicircle, sir.
Half circle.
No.
Semicircle.
Draw a circle
Triangle,
and
sir.
any 2
Arc,
of its
arc, sir, arc.
diameters. Let's go for
Arc.
doing it. Just now we did now. Drawing
Arc.
two. Yeah. Let's see. I'm sharing you the screen which I have already done for you. Right? Here. Now watch. We have a. This is another. Okay, diameter. Let's name this diameter. What is the name of this diameter? Let's name it as a x y.
Why?
So I have 2
X, Y, so
diameters. Diameter PQ is there. Diameter XY
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Now what is that he is asking? Read the question. You know the read the question.
Sir, it will be X mark, sir.
Draw
Join
It will be
these,
x mark.
you are asked to join these endpoints. How to join these endpoints? Let me go for joining with the help of black lines only. I'm joining this first. Then I'm joining these two next. Then I'm joining QY. And I'm joining PY. Now tell me, what is that? You got it. What is
Rectangle,
it?
sir.
PY
Rectangle.
X.
Sir, it is
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Is it rectangle?
Yeah.
Is it rectangle?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, it is
How do you say
rectangle.
that it is rectangle?
Because the two
There
sides
are
are
two
equal, sir.
lateral.
Another, sir, the
Yes, sir.
opposite
Opposite
sides
sides of
equal.
PX is
Very good.
equal.
Sorry, here you are right. And it is a rectangle. What is the name of this rectangle? Rectangle PYQ.
Yes, sir. PYQ, sir.
Very good. Okay.
Sir, how can we say it is rectangle means, sir? The two opposite two lines are equal, sir.
You are right. Opposite sides are equal. But how PX is equals to QY?
Yes, sir. And py is equal to
How
xq, sir.
PY equals to XQ? You have to prove it. In ninth, you will be learning how to prove this. Okay, don't
Yes,
worry.
sir.
We'll be proving later. Now,
Okay,
so
sir.
your guess is correct. Rectangle, it is correct. How to prove? You have to do it in class 9. Now I'm going for next question. Okay, I'm stop sharing
Okay,
this
sir.
and I'll go for question. Sharing my PPT presentation. Yes. Now tell me, what is, oh, this only has come, huh? Is it my PPT presentation is visible, children? No, no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Mihir Rao, why you are laughing? Tell me, Mihir. What happened? Are you able to understand? Mihir, are you there?
Sir, sorry, sir, it was not me.
Is it?
Yes,
Someone
sir.
representing.
Sir, our
Okay,
presentation gone.
Arjun, sir.
no problem. I'll bring it. I'll bring it. Okay. PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, let's go for uh question number question number 3. We did joining diameters, right? What is the
Yes.
the shape we said? The figure obtained is rectangle. Now, further question. What figure, okay, what figure, read, what figure is obtained if the
Is
diameters are
if the
perpendicular to
diameters
each
are
other? If
Square,
diameters are
sir. Square.
perpendicular to
Sir,
each other,
square, sir.
very
square.
good. Correct. It is a
Sir.
square. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
How do you check your answer? By
Sir,
drawing?
by
How do you check
drawing.
your answer? Okay.
By drawing.
Good, good.
Sir.
By drawing. Next. Next,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
go for question number 4. Draw any circle and mark points A, B, and C such that A is on circle, B is in the interior of the circle, and C is in the exterior of the circle. How can we do this?
Easy, sir.
This will do, sir.
Easy.
We will do, sir.
Okay,
Will do,
Sir,
sir.
very good.
Draw circle.
Okay, you will draw a
sir, we have
circle.
to make any point in a circle, sir.
Okay,
A, sir.
like this.
Interior B.
Any place we
Yes,
have
sir.
to
B,
make a
sir.
point.
Okay, sir.
Interior
Only
B.
this much, sir.
Good.
Interior B,
So,
sir.
Only this much. A,
interior
sir,
B.
in the circle.
Sir,
Interior
we have
B.
to
A
make
is on the
AC.
circle.
sir,
Yes,
A on
sir.
the circumference, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Perfect,
sir.
perfect. Good. Now, question number 5.
Five.
Let
Sir,
A
5.
be the center of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the circle. Let them intersect at C and D. Now, examine. We will do this. I will show you doing it on the, okay, on the, that's another software. Okay. I'm going for sharing my, I'm sharing first, stop sharing. Then I'll go for sharing my, the drawing board. See, I'm actually erasing all this. Okay. Erasing all of them. And,
Yes, sir.
we will go for drawing first a circle. What we will draw a circle first? I have taken a point. It is a point A. And I am taking
Sir, we have to draw the circle with any length, sir.
any one fixed radius I have to take. I am taking a radius of 3 centimeter. Okay. And drawing
Sir,
the
we
circle.
can make a 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter of circle, sir. We can make it any.
Yes. This circle I have taken. Now, okay. Then he is asking us to draw a circle. Okay. First, I have drawn a circle with the center A. Okay. Now, next, what is to be done? I have to draw another circle. Okay. I have to draw another circle
Sir, with the center of B.
with the
B,
center
sir.
of B.
B, sir.
B.
With the center of B. And they must be of equal radius. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I must have
3 centimeter
sir.
only, sir.
yes, I must have equal radii. Now, definitely that point B will be on the circumference of the first circle which I have drawn. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure? If
Yes,
I
sir.
take it on B now, with the same radius,
Sir,
3 centimeter only, I am drawing another circle.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
on
Right?
the circumference A will lie, sir.
Now, you watch it here. Is this the second circle is passing through the A?
Yes, sir.
The first
Yes,
circle is
sir.
passing through the B?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because
Yes,
their
sir.
radius is same.
Same, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, same, sir.
Okay, so let A and B
Sir, the
are
length of the
centers of
intersecting
two
point.
circle of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. They are passing through the center of the other. Now, what is the point
sir.
of
Sir,
the
intersection
length
of
of-
these?
Sir, the length of two
Yes.
intersection is also equal, sir.
Yes, correct. Because radius is same means their circumference will
Yes,
be
sir.
same.
3 centimeter only, sir.
Now, you got a AB and the point of intersection of these circles being C and D, they said. Now, you have to join a line AB and CD. Now, tell me, how are those two line segments? How are those two line segments? Tell me. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB and CD are at right angle or not. Are they forming
Yes,
right
sir.
angle or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here line segment AB is perpendicular to the line segment CD.
Sir,
CD.
name the intersection point, sir.
Here the right angle is there.
90 degrees.
90 degrees there.
Yes, sir. 90 degree angle.
This is how
sir.
the fifth question is to be done. With this, exercise 14.1 over and my time is also over. See you all. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Happy
sir.
Sankrant,
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye,
I wish you the
Thank
same.
you, sir.